Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your home entertainment setup with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best universal remote controls, chosen for their compatibility, smart features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Philips Universal Remote Control. We're starting with this one because it's a straightforward, reliable tool for anyone drowning in a sea of plastic clickers. It manages up to 4 different devices, including your TV, soundbar, and Blu-ray player. We're looking at a massive code library that covers basically every major brand. But the real win here is the pre-programming. It works with Samsung TVs and Roku boxes right out of the box, saving you from that annoying manual setup. The design is clean and compact, and it feels balanced in your hand without being overly heavy. We love the primary audio control feature on this unit. It lets you adjust the volume regardless of which device you've selected, which is a massive quality of life upgrade. You won't have to keep toggling modes just to hear the dialogue. It's an infrared remote, so it won't talk to streaming sticks hidden behind your TV, but for standard gear, it's rock solid. This thing is a budget-friendly powerhouse for users who want zero drama and quick results. If you need a reliable replacement that just works without a PhD in engineering, this is a smart pick. GE Rechargeable Remote Control. This one is built for people who are tired of hunting for AAA batteries in the middle of a movie. It features a built-in battery that charges via USB-C, and a single charge lasts for months. That's a huge plus for sustainability and your wallet over the long run. It supports 4 devices and comes with a fully backlit keypad, which is a must-have for late-night viewing. You also get dedicated app hotkeys for services like Netflix and Disney+, making it way faster to jump straight into your favorite shows. Setup is simple with an automatic code search, and the build quality feels surprisingly premium. It even has a master volume feature, so you aren't stuck switching between the TV and soundbar modes just to tweak the audio. It won't control Bluetooth or RF devices, but its infrared range is impressive and consistent. This is a smart, eco-friendly pick that brings modern convenience to a classic design. If you want a remote that looks good, feels high-end, and never needs a battery swap, this is the clear winner for your living room. Sideclick SC2-FT16K Remote. This is a clever little gadget specifically for the Fire TV loyalists. It's not a standalone remote. Instead, it clips onto your existing Amazon remote to add universal controls. This thing is a beast because it uses IR learning technology. It doesn't rely on preloaded codes that might not work. Instead, it literally learns commands from your old remotes. You get 8 programmable buttons to handle power, volume, and TV or receiver, while keeping your Alexa voice search and navigation completely intact. The patent-pending clip-on design is secure and doesn't interfere with the remote's original functions. It's the perfect way to declutter your coffee table without giving up the Fire TV interface you're already used to. It adds a bit of width, but the ergonomic trade-off is worth it for one-handed control of your entire system. It's a specialized tool, but for its niche, it's unbeatable. If you're tired of holding 2 remotes just to watch a movie on your Fire Stick, this is the integrated solution you've been waiting for.
Anderic RRU401 Remote. This one is for the power users who want a remote that actually listens. It handles 4 devices and features full backlighting, meaning every single key glows in the dark. That's a massive upgrade over budget remotes that only light up a few select buttons. It's packed with smart shortcuts for Netflix and other apps, but the real selling point is the macro capability. You can program custom command sequences, like turning on your TV and soundbar simultaneously with a single press. It saves time and makes your setup feel premium. It also includes a learning mode, meaning it can copy functions from virtually any infrared remote you own. This makes it compatible with even obscure or older gear that standard code libraries might miss. The buttons are large and clearly labeled, which is great for visibility and reducing input errors. It feels a bit light in the hand, but the performance is top tier across the board. This is a versatile, high-end option for anyone with a complex home theater who needs deep customization and reliable infrared transmission. It's a true workhorse.
Acoyer SRP9232D Remote. This is the ultimate universal replacement, especially if you have a Roku TV or a Samsung setup. It's designed as a rugged, no-nonsense alternative to the cheap remotes that usually come with your TV. We're looking at broad compatibility across major brands like LG, Vizio, and Sony. The setup is straightforward, using brand-specific codes or an automatic search if you're dealing with something less common. It's an infrared-only unit, so it's built for line-of-sight devices rather than hidden streaming sticks or certain Bluetooth-only soundbars. In daily use, the buttons are responsive and have a satisfying click that feels durable. It's lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy, and the layout is intuitive enough for anyone to use without looking at a manual. This remote is a budget-friendly lifesaver when your original remote inevitably disappears or breaks. It's dependable, simple to program, and offers great value for a multi-device household that needs a quick fix. If you need a solid backup or a primary controller that doesn't overcomplicate the viewing experience, this is a very safe and smart buy.
And that wraps up the top 5 best universal remote controls. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.